জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
It's better that you take him home now. At least he will be able to spend some time with his family.
I have never asked you for anything, but I am requesting you today. Please marry Trineni. Your dad is asking you for something before dying. Deepu, won't you fulfill my wish?
He doesn't have a long time to live. He will be able to spend some time with his family. Hello, Mr. Dripto.
Yes,
Did you hear what I said?
doctor, can I meet Dad once, please?
Yes, of course. Get up, girl. You don't be in the water, you might catch a cold. Go back to the temple.
Nayan! Nayan! Where did she go? What are you doing here?
Grandfather?
I asked you many times not to go outside the temple, but you don't listen to me. I'm sure Tapabrata
No,
came.
grandfather. None of them came.
Then why did you come out of the temple? Tell me.
Grandfather, a woman like Lourdes came today as well. The same bright colored sari and a lot of jewelry. She came and said that she is welcoming me. Then she said that I can foresee the future. Won't I be able to save her son?
Quiet. Just be quiet.
What happened, grandfather?
You won't talk about saving anyone. You won't get it. This is their conspiracy. Wealthy people are trying to use you for their own good. Your mom used to tell there's no point in saving anyone. But I'm saying now that you shouldn't save anyone. No one will be able to use you for as long as I'm alive. Come to the temple. You will swear on the goddess today. You won't entangle yourself in all this. Come with me.
Grandfather, listen to me.
I don't want to listen to anything.
Grandfather, the woman like the Lourdes and Tapabrata are not the same. The Lourdes came earlier as well. We are getting angry needlessly.
I'm getting angry. Others' pain may really hurt you, Nan. But I'm not so generous. My granddaughter's life is far more important to me than others' lives. Do you get it? Don't prolong the argument. Please come.
Grandfather, listen to me.
You were trying to leave amidst the prayer? That's why you were stopped. Come, don't delay it. Let's sit for the prayer. Come. We need to sit for the prayer. Come quickly. Come quickly.
Don't cry anymore.
Aunt Pratima, Mom finds a fault with everything I do. If I speak, or make her wear color, or even sneeze, everything. Where do I go now? Just like a puppet, should I live in this house and not do or say anything?
Why would you live like a puppet? You will live the way you want to live, Rangana. You haven't done anything wrong. I am telling you. Lord himself used you as a medium so that they can't go.
Aunt Pratima, everyone says that you are bad. But no, Aunt. You are really nice.
Come. If you don't stop crying now, I will scold you.
Yes. Actually, Aunt, I'm very silly. That's why no one in this family can tolerate me. No one even talks to me properly.
It's better to be silly like you than to be clever like Sanjukta.
Aunt Pratima, won't anyone in this family be my friend?
Crazy girl. You will have a friend. The day Deepu's wife comes, you can make her your friend, okay? Even that girl will need a friend in this house. She will really need one.
Grandfather, listen to me at least. Grandfather. What are you doing?
Touch the goddess's feet and promise you won't try to save anyone who is not your own. Even if you foresee the future, you will sit quietly. Say it.
What are you saying, Grandfather? Shall I become selfish? Grandfather, I can't become like that even if I die.
Nayan, if you don't become selfish, I have to become selfish for your good. Saving you is my concern. I promised your mother that I'll take care of you. I've understood that 3 culprits are keeping a watch on you. And this is going to increase with the passing days. Everyone around you will try to take advantage of your vision. And I'm never going to let this happen. I have to end all the possibilities. Touch the goddess's feet and swear for my sake. That you won't try to save the ones who are not your own.
You made me swear on you, Grandfather. What did you do?
Why? So what? Won't you uphold the swear on me? Don't cry, Nayan. Please don't cry. Because I don't have any other way to save you.
Come, Sanjukta. Come. I know that you are worried about Deepu. Pray to the Lord to take the responsibility of saving him. If you pray to the Lord honestly, He will surely take the responsibility of saving Deepu. That's right. As if I should pray to Lord for Deepu's safety. It's annoying. Here you go. You should pray to the Lord with this lamp. Pray for 108 times. You should make sure that nothing goes wrong. He will take away all of Deepu's dangers. There won't be any danger. I will pray for Deepu's well-being. Never. I want Deepu to die. Lord, I am praying to you. Please kill Dripto. Oh Lord, I am praying to you for his death. May my desire gets fulfilled. Please, Lord.
What's wrong, Sanjukta? I've been waiting for so long in the car.
That's inauspicious. The lamp fell to the ground. I prayed to the Lord for Deepu's death, and the lamp fell. Won't my prayer be fulfilled?
I'm sorry, Dad. I'm really sorry. Dad. Dad. Dad, I didn't want to hurt you, seriously. I can't bear to see you like this. You please get well soon. Please, Dad, you. Please don't leave me, Dad. Dad, I will do everything you tell me to. I will listen to everything you say. I'm telling the truth. Dad, you want me to get married to that girl, right? Okay, I'm ready. But Dad, please, you should get well. You please get well soon. Honestly, Dad, I will marry that girl. But Dad, that's your only wish, right? Please don't bind me with any other desire, please. It's my request.
What other desire shall I bind you with, Deepu? My daughter-in-law will become your shield. She will save you from every danger. What else do I want?
Mom, Deepu is fine. And it's my belief that he will be fine. Lord himself will protect him, Mom.
Please kill Dripto, Lord. I am praying for his death.
What's wrong, Sanjukta? I've been waiting for so long in the car.
such a big conspiracy failed? Is what Pratima said going to be true? Will I not be able to harm Dripto at all? Then everything will be out of my control. No. That can't happen. Never.
Maybe if you don't go to Madhavpur, then Deepu will be safe.
No. That can't be. Huh? Why is my left eye twitching? Does that mean that I will be harmed? Will I get into trouble? No.
Sanjukta, what you said is right. You are right. My heart says the same thing as yours.
What do you mean to say?
I am trying to say that my heart is saying that you are going to be in a grave trouble. And you know what, Sanjukta? They say that sinners can't escape. If someone wants to harm others, it is reflected back to them. No. Saying no won't help. Wait. Let me increase your doubt.
Pratima! What is this? Why did you break my mirror?
What will happen now, Sanjukta? You saw your face in the broken mirror. What will happen now? Do you know what it means to see your face in the broken mirror? To invite trouble. That is why I was saying that you are going to be in grave trouble. And that will surround you like a web. It will surround you completely. Huh? Yes. I can even hear the sound of it. Why? Can't you hear it?
No, nothing will happen to me. Nothing. No.
You can foresee the future. Won't you be able to save my son?
Touch the goddess's feet and promise you won't try to save anyone who's not your own.
What do I do? The woman who came to the temple, her son is not even related to me. I swore last night touching to the Lotus's feet. If I go with that, I won't be able to save that boy. A mother asked me helplessly to save her son. Then how can I not answer her?
Come. Let's go.
No, it's mine.
Let's go. Come.
Mine will go far. Mine will go far.
My boat will go far. No, my boat will go far away. You will see. Yay! My boat is going first. My boat is going first. No, my boat is going first. No, I said my boat is going first. No, my Sister, will you float the boat in the
How
water?
will I do it? I don't have a boat.
Here you go.
Why is my forehead hurting again, Lourdes? What are you trying to show me? It's drowning! The boat is drowning!